Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to change the automatic lock screen wallpaper in this device. So in this device you can see in a lock screen only one wallpaper is there. So let me show you how to change the lock screen wallpaper automatically in this device. For this, go to settings and scroll down, tap on home screen and lock screen. Then again scroll down, tap on glance for realme. Then we need to turn on this one, activate on lock screen, turn on this one. So here you can see only glance stories and wallpaper mix. So here I am selecting this option, only glance stories. So if you tap on this languages and categories, so here you will get some categories of photos. You can follow these categories and that categories of photos will apply on your lock screen. So here I already followed some categories. So let me show you how it works. Simply here I am going to follow this one. Okay, let me show you. You can see the lock screen wallpaper is changing every time, automatically changing every time. So simply in this way you can change the lock screen wallpaper automatically in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.